दोस्तों नमस्कार। दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ आप अपने एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी खूब डेडिकेशन से कर रहे होंगे। और आज न्यूज़पेपर में से मैं एक पैसेज आपको बोलने वाला हूँ। और नॉर्मली जो एग्ज़ाम का पैसेज रहता है वो कुछ इसी तरह का होता है कि जहाँ पे ना तो वो लीगल होगा ना ही वो जनरल होगा, तो मिला जुला सा पैसेज कोई हो सकता है। तो इसी तरह के पैसेज की आप प्रैक्टिस करें, लीगल की भी करें, जो कोर्ट की जजमेंट्स होती है उसकी भी प्रैक्टिस थोड़ी बहुत करें, और जनरल पैसेजेस को भी करें। तो न्यूज़पेपर बहुत हेल्पफुल रहता है हमारी प्रैक्टिस के लिए। तो एक डिक्टेशन हम लिखने वाले हैं। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The Anti-Corruption Bureau, Haryana, today told a local court in Panchkula that it wanted to recover rupees 13 lakh from senior IAS officer Vijay Singh Dahiya, Commissioner and Secretary, Youth Empowerment and Entrepreneurship Department, which he allegedly took as bribe for clearing files related to training providers. Poonam Chopra, a Delhi resident, was arrested on April 20 and is in judicial custody. In reply to the anticipatory bail application of Dahiya, the Anti-Corruption Bureau today told a local court in Panchkula that Sharma had alleged threat from the accused IAS officer in his statement recorded under Section 164 of the CRPC on April 24. The Anti-Corruption Bureau said Dahiya's police custody was required to recover rupees 13 lakh and unfold the extortion case layers through his advocates Kamarpal Singh and Harsh K. Sharma. Dahiya submitted before the court that although he was named in the FIR, he never had any occasion to meet or converse with the complainant Manchanda. He further submitted that he had deep roots in society and there was no likelihood of his absconding. Earlier, on the complaint of Manchanda, who provides training in computer, air conditioning technician, and beauty parlor courses under the Haryana Skill Development Mission, Chopra was caught red-handed while receiving rupees 3 lakh para. During the raid on April 20, Poonam Chopra made a WhatsApp call to Dahiya. He told her that you have got late. She replied that training provider Rinku Manchanda delayed in giving the stuff, which was why she had got late for meeting him. Then, along with the raiding team, she reached Cafe Tonino, Sector 8, Chandigarh to meet Dahiya. They spent an hour at the restaurant and also took refreshments. The Anti Corruption Bureau told the court the CCTV footage of the restaurant for April 20 has been seized. Dahiya was picked up from the restaurant along with his driver and his official car. He was taken to the Anti Corruption Bureau office where he was questioned for 2 3 hours. His mobile phone and smartwatch were seized at the restaurant. Dahiya allegedly admitted knowing Chopra but did not accept the bribe demand, said the Anti Corruption Bureau. Relations between Chopra and Dahiya are established through WhatsApp calls and chats where clearing of Manchanda's files and quick payment and no budget being received for the current financial year are discussed, said the Anti-Corruption Bureau. Dahiya had allegedly asked Sharma to quickly process files of Manchanda, which had been pending for long. He approved 6 bills of Manchanda from April 6 to April 17, amounting to rupees 10.43 lakh, said the Anti Corruption Bureau. The Anti Corruption Bureau alleged that Dahiya's family members and known persons had approached a shadow witness in the case, and he, being a senior IAS officer, could influence witnesses. The next date in the case is May 3 for arguments on Dahiya's anticipatory bail। चलिए, बहुत अच्छी डिक्टेशन है, आप इसको टाइप कर सकते हैं, आप चाहें तो आप इसको लिख के रीड आउट कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। तो इसको लिखिएगा और बहुत शानदार पैसेज है। ठीक है, मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।